snake venom is the most expensive substance, which market value is $4,000 to $7,000 per gram. Do you know how this most dangerous work of extracting snake venom is done? To execute this dangerous job, a meticulous process begins with capturing the venomous snakes from their natural habitats. This task requires skilled individuals equipped with proper tools and knowledge to safely capture the snake without harming them. Once the venomous snakes captured, the snakes are housed in a specially designed enclosure within the lab. These enclosures replicate their natural environment as closely as possible. The snakes are provided with proper enclosure, temperature regulation, and comfortable place to move around. They are fed a specific diet to maintain a snake's well-being and to optimize venom production. Despite living in captivity, the health and condition of the snakes are closely monitored to ensure that they remain healthy and suitable for producing venom. The venom extraction, also known as snake milking, itself is a delicious and dangerous process. It requires highly trained professionals to ensure minimal stress to the snake. Professionals wear protective gears like snake tongues, gloves, and face shields to minimize the risk of bites. Before start milking, the workspace is cleaned and a milking cup is sterilized. To collect snake venom, the milking cup is wrapped with sling film on top so a snake feels natural when biting. The snake is carefully held using a specialized tool to minimize the risk of injury. Then the snake's punks are positioned above the sling-wrapped milking cup and the venom is collected as the snake bites down. The head is held for a few seconds so that the venom is completely released. The amount of venom is obtained depending on the snake size and species. Then each type of venom is stored in different vials, and the vials are carefully labeled with detailed information regarding its species origin, extraction date, and expiration date. The vials is then kept under zero temperature for later use, typically around -20 degrees Celsius. After knowing so much, maybe this thought must have come to your mind: what to after taking out the venom? Let's deeply know about snake venom. Snake venom is a type of poison which is typically a yellow fluid produced in the back of the snake head in the venom gland. This gland is also called salivary gland. The salivary gland is the part of the head where saliva is made. It contains a complex mixture of enzymes and proteins of various sizes, amines, lipids, nucleosides, and carbohydrates. When a snake bites, it uses its unique fung to inject the venom into its prey. The compressor muscle in its head squeezes the venom gland and pushes the venom through the ducts and into the hollow fungs, acting like hypodermic needles. Once the venom is injected into the flesh of its prey, how it will affect the body depends on the type of poison and the amount of poison injected into the body. There are 3,000 species of snakes, but only around 450 are poisonous and potentially dangerous to humans. In these snakes, three main types of venom are found: neurotoxic, hemotoxic, and cytotoxic. Neurotoxic venom targets the nervous system, causing paralysis, convulsions, rapid muscle twitching, difficulty breathing, and other respiratory issues. This venom can be very fast acting, leading to death within minutes if left untreated. Neurotoxic venom found in cobras, kraits, mambas, and some sea snakes. Hemotoxic venom affects the circulatory system and tissues. It disrupts blood clotting, causing internal bleeding, damages blood vessels, and organ failure. Hemotoxic venom's effects can take longer to show, but they can still be life-threatening if not treated with antivenom. It is found in rattlesnake, Russell viper, soy-scaled viper, boomslang, and peat viper. Bites from these snakes can be incredibly painful. Cytotoxic venom primarily damages body cells and tissues at the bite site. It causes swelling, pain, and tissue necrosis. It is found in some vipers and sea snakes. Let's visually see how hemotoxic venom affects human blood. When a drop of hemotoxic venom is mixed in the human blood, then after some time the snake's venom clotted the blood completely and turned it into a jelly-like substance which can lead to blockage in the blood vessels. As you can imagine how dangerous snake venom is. Due to this deadly poison, 137,000 people die every year around the world, mostly from Asia and Africa, as these places have a lot of venomous snake species, and there are also a lot of agricultural workers who come in contact with the snakes. Has nature given such deadly poison to snakes to kill their prey, or is there another reason? Let us know. The first importance of snake venom is prey immobilization. Snake venom helps to immobilize their prey so that they can easily consume their prey by hunting. The second importance of venom is digestion. Snake venom also helps with the digestive process inside the snake's stomach, as it contains digestive enzymes which break down proteins into smaller molecules that the snake can more easily absorb. The third and main importance of venom in snakes is self-defense. Most of time, snakes do not bite to immobilize their prey and consume it. Rather, they fear enemies and bite them to protect themselves. Some snake species can also excrete venom as a defense mechanism. The extraction of venom is not just about understanding these stealthy creatures better, but it is also about saving lives. The components of snake venom are used to develop life-saving antivenoms. Without these antivenoms, the numbers of deaths from snake bites would be much higher. But knowing this, the question arises, how can venom be treated with antivenom made from venom? Let us know. When a snake bites and its venom enters our body, it requires antibodies to combat the venom. These antibodies are produced by our immune system. However, in case of snake bites, our immune system may not generate enough antibodies to treat the envenomation effectively. In such situation, we need to inject sufficient antibody cells externally, that is antivenom. Antibodies cannot be made artificially, rather it is obtained from animals such as sheep, goats, dogs and horses. But how? Let's see. When a small amount of venom is injected into the animal's immune system produces antibodies to fight against the venom, which are then harvested from their blood. These antibodies are purified to create antivenom, which can neutralize the effect of the venom. We should thank these animals because they are the donor of antibodies that save lives. However, researchers are exploring the possibility of producing antivenom without the need for animals by using techniques such as recombination DNA technology to produce specific antibodies in the lab. Snake venom has also been a source of developing innovative drugs for treating conditions such as hypertension, heart attacks, and blood clots. So this was the entire process of extracting snake venom and an overview of snake venom. I hope you have enjoyed this video and got some knowledge. If you like this video, then don't forget to press the like button. If you are new on this channel and want to be interested in this type of content, so you are welcome. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. We will see you in the next video.